Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape. We're talking about this generation right here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you want to find where the BCM module fuses are located, guys, stay with us, we'll explain about that. We have up to 4 and 2 of them are extremely hidden that most people will not even know about that. We'll talk about that. We'll explain where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays, the good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays, the good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So the BCM fuses, where you can expect to find them, guys. Okay, we're going to demonstrate on that generation Ford Escape. This is the pre-facelifted model, facelifted model here. It should work for both. You have up to 4 different fuse boxes in that SUV, and today we'll be working 2. One is under the hood. Open the hood, guys. Facing the engine on the right side, we have a fuse box under this cover. Open it. You'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. For the BCM, we'll need to check 2 fuses, guys. Okay, the first one will be in that section right here, and we're talking about fuse number 11 right there. Now after that, you need to check fuse number 41. It will be that 20 amp fuse right here. Next, you need to open the hood. If you come to your battery location right here, on the positive cable on your battery, if you follow it, it comes to another hidden fuse box. It will be covered with black plastic. Open it, you have multiple fuses underneath. Here you have 2 more fuses that we need to check for the BCM, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuse number 4, that 50 amp fuse. Then you need to check 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fuse number 9, another 50 amp fuse. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.